morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. I am Shalini Malhotra. Children, today in English literature we are going to read a very heart-touching story of a small family. The story is about the wooden bowl. Once upon a time in a small town in Germany there lived an old man who was called Kurt. He lived with his son Manfred and daughter-in-law Thekla. They all shared a little old house at the end of the quiet street in the middle of the town. In Germany, there lived a family, an old person, Kurt, he is living with his son and daughter-in-law in a house, in a small house. Manfred was a carpenter and spent all his time in a workshop next to the house. He had learned carpentry from his father. This person, Manfred, he is a carpenter and he has learned his carpentry from his father, Kurt. The old man had taught his son well and the son earned a good living. He made furniture for the people of the town and from time to time he did some carving work also. Carving work is, children, when you are doing some decorative work, wooden work. The young couple, Manfred and Thekla is the wife of Manfred, had a son called William. They both had a son, William. The boy liked to sit in the workshop and watch his father. This boy, small boy, also worked with his father. He used to watch his father doing carpentry work. As he grew older, he helped his father by fetching and carrying things. As the son grew older, he helped his father in carrying the things, in fetching the things, in helping his father. He learned to clean the tools and to take care of them. Also, he learned to take care of the tools. He learned how to use saw and hammer and a chisel. These are the instruments of a carpenter: hammer, chisel. Chisel is a narrow-edged instrument, and his grandfather taught him to carve wood into wonderful shapes. The grandfather has also taught to carve the wood into wonderful shapes. Now the old grandfather was very old and getting older day by day. He was not very strong. His eyes were dim and he could not see well. Sometimes his hands shook and sometimes he sat in the chair and nodded off to sleep. He was always sleeping. Old grandfather, he was very old and he could not see properly and he always nodded on the chair sleeping because of his age. In the evenings, they all sat down to the dinner table. Manfred and Thekla used to get angry with the old grandfather. He was slow and clumsy. Sometimes he broke a glass, sometimes he dropped a spoon, and sometimes he spilled soup on his shirt and trousers. He was an old man. Because he was very old, he did not work properly. His hands were always shaking, and the Manfred and Thekla, the daughter-in-law and his son, they used to get angry on the old man. One day during the evening meal, the old man dropped the plate on the floor. Crash! It smashed into 100 tiny pieces and the food fell all over the place. One day while they were having their meal, the old man, the plate was smashed from his hand. It smashed into pieces. He dropped the plate on the ground. Thekla and Manfred began to clean up the floor. But how angry they were. After that accident, they bought him a cheap wooden bowl from the market and gave him the dinner in that. They made the old man sit by himself in the corner of the room to eat his food. From that day, Manfred and Thekla, they went to the market and bought a wooden bowl for the old man. And they gave that bowl to the old man to have his food in that. The old man was sad but what could he do? He kept quiet and did not complain. He was very old and he did not complain. He was very sad. One evening, not long afterwards, Thekla and Manfred had finished work for the day and were getting the evening meal prepared. When the meal was ready, they called for William. They looked in his room, but he was not there. Where could the boy be? Asked Thekla. Manfred had no idea. He asked the old man if he had seen William, but the old man shook his head. After having their work done, both the parents, Thekla and Manfred, they searched for their son to have the meal, but they did not find him. They asked the old grandfather also, but he said no. He had not seen the William. Tekla and Manfred became a little worried. They looked out on the street, but William was not there. Then they saw a light in the workshop. They went to look. When they looked everywhere, then they saw a light in their workshop where they do the carpentry work. There was a light there. They stepped into the workshop. Both Manfred and Tekla, they stepped inside the workshop and found their son sitting on the floor. He was cutting a small block of wood and working as hard as he could. "Ah, there you are," said Tekla. Now they found their son in their workshop. He was working with some wooden, very hard on a wooden piece. "What are you making, son?" asked Manfred. William put down the block of wood and the chisel. He looked up at his parents. Now they asked their son what he is doing with the wood. "I am making a wooden bowl for you to eat from when you are old," replied the boy. Now the boy said, "I am making a wooden bowl for you both, mother and father, that when you grow old, then you will eat your food in this bowl." The parents looked at each other, their eyes filled with tears. "Come, dinner is ready," said Tekla softly, as she put her arms around her son, and the three of them went back to the house. Now they realized what the son has said. The tears came out from both of their eyes. They realized what they have done to their father. After this, Tekla and Manfred always asked the old grandfather to sit with them. After that, they realized their mistake, and they always made the grandfather to sit with them on their table and have their food. So children, I hope this is a very heart-touching story, and you should always regard and respect your elders and your parents and your grandparents. Please go through this story and do write the difficult words which are being marked in the chapter. And have a great day, children. Goodbye.